Understanding the phrase, smiling viper. Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into an intriguing English phrase, smiling viper. This expression might sound peculiar, but it holds a fascinating meaning in the English language. Let's explore it together. A smiling viper refers to someone who appears friendly and harmless on the surface but is actually dangerous and deceitful. The phrase combines two contrasting images: a smile, which is usually associated with friendliness, and a viper, a venomous snake known for its dangerous bite. This juxtaposition highlights the deceptive nature of the person being described. The phrase, smiling viper, likely originated from the natural behavior of some snakes, like vipers, which can appear calm or non-threatening before they strike. Over time, this imagery has been used metaphorically to describe people with similar characteristics. 1. Cautionary usage. Be careful around him. He's a smiling viper. 2. Descriptive usage. Despite her friendly demeanor, she proved to be a smiling viper in the boardroom. 3. Reflective usage. After the betrayal, I realized I had been dealing with a smiling viper all along. Wolf in sheep's clothing. Someone who hides malicious intent under a harmless appearance. Trojan horse. Something that initially seems beneficial but has a hidden, harmful aspect. Smiling viper is a powerful expression in the English language, encapsulating the idea of deceitful harm lurking beneath a friendly facade. I hope this video has shed light on this interesting phrase. Stay curious and keep exploring the fascinating world of English expressions.